Senator Robin Padilla vows to block impeachment complaints against Vice President Sara Duterte should it reach the Senate. The senator makes the commitment on Monday, January 13, as he attends the Iglesia Ni Cristos National Rally for Peace at the Carino Grandstand in Manila. Reporters asked Padilla in an interview if his participation in the rally is a giveaway that he will vote no once an impeachment complaint against Duterte reaches the Senate. Padilla answers in the affirmative, saying he is certain as early as now that he will oppose the impeachment moves against Duterte. According to the senator, his views are in line with President Bongbong Marcos's directive, where the president discouraged the filing of impeachment complaints against Duterte as he does not see it as a priority. Padilla echoes the president's statement, emphasizing the impeachment moves against Duterte will not help the country.
Hindi po nagbabago ang aking suporta sa Pangulo at sa pangalawang Pangulo dahil bilang ako po ay unity team. Katulad po ng sinabi ng Pangulo, hindi po ito makatutulong sa ating bayan sa ngayon. Napakaliwanag po ng sinabi niya na ito daw po ay isang bagyo lamang sa tipat. Ito po ay parang maaantala lang po ang kaunlaran natin dito sa impeachment.
Duterte faces 3 impeachment complaints before the House of Representatives over the alleged misuse of funds of the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Education. One of the impeachment complaints also cites Duterte's threat against Marcos when she bared in November last year that she ordered someone to kill the president, First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, and House Speaker Martin Romualdez should she herself be assassinated.